website to see who the players are. Alright, we got QD versus Justmeinabox. Lucario versus Wolf. Two anthropomorphic dogs locked in heated combat. This is sure to be a treat.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, here we are, PS2. Lucario coming out with the home field advantage. We'll see what can be made of it. Already we're seeing some classic Lucario stuff. Using the charge on that neutral B is a nice little neutral tool. Essentially setting up for up smash, just like in Smash 4. And this wave bouncing makes the movement so tricky. Oh, doesn't get anything else in this deck. He's definitely waiting for a big punish though. Caught in the corner, gonna get out. And just like that, his advantage dissolves and he gets caught by the down smash on the ledge as Just Me takes the lead. Oh, very nice forward throw. That'll close out the stock definitively. And we have ourselves an even game once again. Justme seems to be adjusting a little bit to the neutral here, but QD's got a nice little string going. Ooh, very nice. Getting behind the F smash. Isn't able to get too big a punish though. Oh, what's this? Oh, it doesn't quite get the tech chase. Oh, playing dangerous. Justme rolls right into that down smash. Great counter though. Justme playing so close to that charging hitbox, seemingly right on it. Oh, there it is. QD closing out the second stock and taking the lead. And racking up some nice damage to boot already. Justme gonna seal this one out here. No, QD makes it back to stage. Nice down tilt off the tech chase. Dicey situation. Has QD gonna make it back? Manages to just roll through. Oh, baits out the wolf flash and just nails him with that S smash. QD taking game one with 2 stocks.
Start the battle! Lucario!
Alright, we're locking it right back in and heading on into game 2. The set's not over yet.
3, 2,
Let us know in the comments which dog you have in this fight. Whether it's QD in the Lucario or if it's just me with the wolf. Ooh, big damage early on going to just me. Oh, QD returning the favor. What a slobber knocker of a game this is so far. Very nice punish there. Oh, just barely air dodges through the neutral B, but it ends up sealing his fate as QD goes up a stock just 30 seconds into the game. The pace of this game is significantly faster than the last one. These two are just going at it, trading blows. Ooh. back air just beating out that charge hitbox. It seems like Just Me is able to dance on that charge hitbox without actually getting hit by it. He either understands the spacing better than I do, or it's just Wolf cheating. Ooh, very nice sequence, getting Just Me on the ledge. He manages to fight his way off of it, though. Oh, the up B was a good thought, but it lands right into that down smash. This is an even game on the second stock. Who's going to take the momentum here? The alternate question is QD, or if Just Me takes this stock first, how will he play around the enhanced aura that QD gets? Very interesting with the down there coming off the platform. Oh! Gets the charge hitbox and misses the follow-up. Wasn't expecting Just Me to unshield there, maybe. Very smart of Just Me to use the Wolf Blaster to potentially disrupt the neutral B coming down. Ooh. Catches him with the back air, and that's going to seal up the second stop. Lucario looks like he's got max aura at this point. These up Bs in neutral are interesting, but they keep getting QB punished here. It feels like Just Me might have this, especially if you can hang on to the stock. With max rage, Wolf is definitely in a position where he can take this stock with a lot of different options. QD just having trouble finding that definitive blow, and it looks like the dash attack is going to do it, but he has to work his way through a whole nother stock. Just me playing very patient, waiting for QD to make a mistake. Oh, this could be big. There it is. The neutral B manages to snipe him off stage. No reflector present. QD takes the 2